The world is full of mysteries, and some places are so strange that even the brightest scientists can't explain them. From bizarre natural formations to unexplained structures and phenomena, these locations challenge our understanding of Earth. Today, we're exploring 10 of the most mysterious places on the planet that continue to baffle experts. 1. Lake Vostok, Antarctica. Beneath 4 kilometers of ice in Antarctica lies Lake Vostok, a massive freshwater lake that has been sealed off from the surface for over 15 million years. Scientists have drilled through the ice to explore it, and what they found is astounding. The lake's extreme isolation has created a unique ecosystem, possibly harboring unknown microbial life. Even stranger, some probes have detected unusual gas concentrations and magnetic anomalies. How life could survive in total darkness and under immense pressure is still a mystery. Lake Vostok could rewrite what we know about life in extreme conditions, and maybe even life on other planets. 2. The door to hell, Turkmenistan. In the heart of Turkmenistan's vast Karakum Desert lies the Darvaza gas crater, ominously nicknamed the Door to Hell. This enormous crater, over 70 meters wide, has been burning continuously for more than 50 years, creating an otherworldly, fiery spectacle in the middle of an otherwise barren desert. Its story begins in 1971, when Soviet geologists accidentally punctured a massive underground gas pocket while drilling, causing the ground above to collapse. Fearing the release of toxic gases, they set the crater ablaze, expecting it to burn out within a few weeks. Instead, decades later, the flames still rage, producing intense heat and an eerie, glowing landscape visible from miles away. Scientists continue to study the crater, intrigued by its relentless combustion, unusual gas behavior, and the heat patterns that defy normal expectations for natural gas fires. The Door to Hell remains both a scientific puzzle and a surreal natural wonder, attracting adventurers and researchers alike. 3. Yonaguni Monument, Japan. Off the coast of Japan's Yonaguni Island lies a mysterious submerged structure that has fascinated divers and researchers for decades. Known as the Yonaguni Monument, this underwater formation features massive stone terraces, steps, and angular shapes so precise that many believe it could be a man-made city predating even the Egyptian pyramids. Some of the formations resemble walls, roads, and platforms, while others appear to contain intricate carvings and geometrical patterns, hinting at intentional design. Despite these striking features, a debate rages among scientists. Some argue the monument is entirely natural, sculpted by thousands of years of seismic activity and erosion, while others insist that human hands must have shaped these stones long ago. No definitive evidence has settled the argument, leaving the Yonaguni Monument cloaked in mystery. Its combination of scale, precision, and submerged location continues to challenge our understanding of ancient civilizations and underwater archaeology. 4. Hessdalen Lights, Norway. For decades, the residents of Hessdalen Valley in Norway have witnessed a truly baffling phenomenon: strange, glowing lights that appear in the sky without warning. Known as the Hessdalen Lights, these mysterious orbs can be white, yellow, red, or even blue, and they move in ways that seem to defy the laws of physics. Sometimes they hover silently for hours, other times they dart across the valley at incredible speeds, disappearing as suddenly as they appear. Scientists have taken the phenomenon seriously, installing monitoring stations, using radar, and collecting extensive data, yet no definitive explanation has emerged. Some theories suggest the lights may be caused by natural plasma formations, unusual atmospheric conditions, or chemical reactions from natural gases. But none of these ideas fully account for their unpredictable movements or brightness. The Hessdalen Lights continue to captivate local residents, visiting scientists, and curious travelers, standing as one of the most intriguing unexplained mysteries in the modern world. 5. The Pykhtin Rock Formation, Russia. In Siberia, the Pykhtin rocks form a surreal landscape of perfectly vertical, thin pillars of stone, stretching dozens of meters high. Their shape is so precise that some suggest human intervention, but these are natural formations created through unknown erosion processes. Scientists still cannot explain how these unique structures survived harsh Siberian conditions for thousands of years. The site looks like an alien world, and researchers continue to study it to understand how nature created such geometric perfection. 6. The Moeraki Boulders, New Zealand. Along the Koekoi Beach in New Zealand, gigantic spherical boulders lie scattered across the sand. Some weigh up to several tons, and their nearly perfect roundness is baffling. Scientists believe they formed millions of years ago through a natural process called concretion, where minerals gradually cement sediment into rock. But what makes them mysterious is their size, distribution, and that some are hollow inside. The Moeraki boulders challenge our understanding of geological formations and still leave researchers with more questions than answers. 7. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Lake Natron in Tanzania is one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Its waters are highly alkaline, with a pH level so extreme it can burn the skin of animals. Yet, bizarrely, the lake is home to millions of flamingos that breed on its shores. The water sometimes turns animals into calcified statues, preserving them almost perfectly. Scientists are still trying to understand how life adapts to such harsh chemical conditions. Lake Natron is a deadly beauty, where nature's extremes meet survival in ways that defy logic. 8. The underwater city of Baia, Italy. Off the coast of Naples, Italy, lie the ruins of Baia, a Roman city now submerged underwater. While underwater cities aren't rare, Baia is extraordinary because of its preservation and evidence of advanced engineering. Some structures appear to have been intentionally sunk or gradually submerged by volcanic activity. Divers report seeing intact mosaics, columns, and roadways underwater, raising questions about ancient construction techniques and the forces that caused its disappearance. Baia remains a testament to the mysteries hidden beneath our oceans. 9. The Sailing Stones of Death Valley, USA. In California's Death Valley, massive boulders seem to move on their own across the desert floor, leaving long trails behind them. This phenomenon puzzled scientists for decades. Recent research suggests thin ice sheets forming under the rocks could push them when winds blow. But observations show rocks sometimes move in unexpected directions or speeds, making the phenomenon only partially explained. The sailing stones are a visual reminder that even dry, barren landscapes can hide secrets we're only beginning to understand. 10. The Tunguska event site, Russia. In 1908, a massive explosion flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest near the Tunguska River. Witnesses reported seeing a fireball in the sky, and the blast released energy equivalent to 10 to 15 megatons of TNT. Surprisingly, no impact crater was found, fueling theories ranging from a meteoroid airburst to experimental weapons or even alien activity. Scientists still debate what caused the event, and despite over a century of study, the Tunguska site remains one of the most mysterious modern events ever recorded. From icy Antarctic lakes to deserts that burn like hell, Earth is full of secrets that defy logic and challenge science. These 10 locations are reminders that no matter how much we explore or understand, some mysteries remain. Each of these places pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and inspires scientists, adventurers, and dreamers to keep searching for answers. Who knows what other inexplicable wonders are waiting to be discovered just beyond the horizon?